What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, Gail has won a lottery that pays her $100,000 at the end of this year, $110,000 at the end of the next year, $120,000 the following year, and so on for 30 years. Leon has offered Gail $2,500,000 today in exchange for all the money she will receive. If Gail can get 8% interest on her savings, is this a good deal? Now let's see whether this is a good deal. To find that one out, let's put all of these things in a formula. First, we know that A prime, that is this one, 100,000 initial one, 100,000, and G is the increment of each year, that is 10,000, and N is how many years? 30 years here, and I is the interest rate. For this one, this is 8% interest rate per year, so 0.08 per year. Now there's a formula to calculate A. A is equal to A prime plus G, A over G I N. Now A prime is 100,000 plus 10,000, A over G 0.08, 30, and if you calculate this value, that's going to give you 9.1897. Therefore A is equivalent to 191,897. So from this one we can calculate P. P is equal to A times P over A I N, and we know that A is this value, that is 191,897 times P over A, 8%, that's the interest rate, 30 years. And if you look at this value on the table, that's 11.258, and if you calculate P, that's going to give you 2,160,376. So this is the value based on the interest rate. So the best deal is 2,500,000 because that's the highest value. So the answer is this a good deal? If he offer 2,500,000 today in exchange for all the money she will receive, if Gail can get 8% interest on her savings, is this a good deal? Yes, this is a good deal because he's getting more money than what we can get. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.